Hey Vancouver, a recession might be coming, but before you hit the panic button, hear me out.
So on Wednesday, the Bank of Canada decided to hold the policy rate at 5% after two consecutive increases back in June and July. And this decision was primarily influenced by the weakness of GDP in Q2, which consists of the month of April, May, and June. The GDP did decline by 0.2%, and by definition set by the bank, a recession is official when two consecutive quarters reported a negative GDP growth. And since the second quarter, the Bank of Canada has increased the policy rate twice in an effort to combat the inflation rate. Given this, I anticipate that the GDP Q3, which is going to be July, August, and September, will likely going to be negative as well. To make things a little bit more complicated, the unemployment rate in Metro Vancouver actually dropped by 0.2% after it hit 6% unemployment rate in July. The average hourly wage in Canada is also increasing. Now let's talk about how the pause of interest rate might affect the real estate market from a realtor perspective. So first thing that comes to my mind is the pause is going to stabilize the mortgage rate. If you have a variable rate mortgage, your payment will remain unchanged, might bring in some relief to prospective homeowners in Canada as well. Number two, historically, lower interest rates have often been associated with rising property values because lower borrowing costs stimulate spending. Number three, after the bank increased the policy rate 2 months in a row back in June and July, a decision to hold off on further hikes will restore some consumer confidence. Point number four, it's also important to note that the reason of this rate pause. It's very clear that the economy is shrinking, and that's why the bank decided not to raise the interest rate again. And this might not be good news for everyone. Given the threat of soaring inflation, there's really not much they can do other than introducing a quantitative tightening policy, which is to sell bonds and to withdraw money from the market. As the summer season slowly comes to an end, it is unlikely we're going to see another massive home price surge. Many of us, myself included, expected a rise year over year. However, the extent of the increase of property values we've seen since the beginning of 2023 has been surprising. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think this interest rate pause mean to you. Could be good or bad. Also, please follow and subscribe for more real estate news.